First time I'm recording with the Sony ZVE10. I hope the light is okay, the sound is okay. I'm using the microphone of the camera. And in the near future I will buy a DJI Mic 2. But I hope it will work now. Now I'm deinstalling the bolts of the exhaust pipe, the muffler, the place where it's connected to the engine. And it's the hexagon bolts with M12, okay? They're really difficult to reach. You won't see that. It's a weird angle. So it's one of them. As you see, look inside. There's a lot of dirt inside. It's brake pad material. Now the pads, they still have some material on it, but it was time to clean them. They were very dirty, but I will change them to some racing spec pads. So now I have to clean. I'm not going to install the rear fender now, but the rear suspension I have to install. And after this I'm going to go home. I'm going to wash the bike.